Hey Deedee. Okay, so first you want to go to your dashboard and then you want to press on Fuel Ed and then it will sign you in with Clever and it brings up this but then it goes on so you don't have to press anything. And then when you get here, you're going to go to Quick Links and go down to Class Connect Sessions. And it should have one scheduled right here. And you just press on the session name, Deedee and Julia. And then it launches and it says FaceTime HD camera. I just pressed confirm. And then here I am, and here we are. Okay, so let me know if you need help with that, okay? All right, let me stop this video.